friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen ravioli in the air fryer. Air fryer makes cooking ravioli so easy. No need to deal with a pot of boiling water. No water is needed to cook ravioli in the air fryer. So we need frozen ravioli, no need to defrost, it will cook it straight from frozen. And we also need olive oil or vegetable oil. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and we're going to put frozen ravioli in the air fryer in a single layer. And now I'm going to brush them with oil. So I'll just pour oil in a little dish. And I will use the pastry brush to brush them with oil. And now I'm going to flip them over and brush on the other side as well. So now ravioli is ready to cook. Please don't skip the step of brushing with oil, because if you air fry ravioli without oil, they'll just be dried up and not so good. So to make them nice and crispy with good texture, you do need to brush with oil. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 7 minutes. Not halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip ravioli over so they cook evenly. Now flipping them is optional. It's just if you want it to be more nicely looking and even, do it. And if you don't do it, it'll still work. So now let's put the air fryer basket back and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take a look at this air fried ravioli. Look at that. They're so nicely browned. They look amazing. Instead of boiled ravioli, you have fried ravioli. The air fryer makes it so easy. So the outside is very crispy. So delicious. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let me just cut one so you see that the filling is soft and fully cooked inside. See, the inside is perfectly cooked. So let's try it. Yummy. Crispy outside, hot and soft inside. These fried ravioli are amazing. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!